Hello everyone, my name is Vishal. I am a student of Science Institute of Technology. In this video, I will be talking about Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio. Well, Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio provides a platform for developing the robotic applications very easily. Before going into the depth of our discussion about Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio, let me ask a question. For developing any sort of robotic application, why only Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio? Why not some other technology? If somebody asks you a question like this, being a developer of robotic application using Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio, you can say only one thing. Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio provides an environment where you can develop the robotic applications even though you are unaware of the hardware aspects of a robot. You don't have any knowledge about the hardware aspects of a robot. Even you don't have any physical robot for developing a robotic application. All you need to have is some programming skills in any of the .NET based languages like VB.NET, C#.NET, etc. And you should also have the ability to work with VPL. VPL is a visual programming language. Anyhow, I will be talking about it very shortly. There are some other features which made Robotic Studio more powerful. There are CCR and DSS. CCR stands for Concurrency and Coordination Runtime. Okay, when you work with robots, everything has to be done concurrently. For suppose there is a robot, we send some signal, and at the same time it will be performing some other operations like rotating its camera or moving its wheel either backward or forward. So that means it will be performing the multiple tasks simultaneously. So in order to implement that concurrency into your application, you can make use of the CCR code library. It manages the multiple thread execution and also awards the asynchronous programming set calls. There is one more important feature of Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio, that is DSS. DSS stands for Decentralized Software Services. It's a lightweight .NET based runtime which is on the top of the CCR. It allows you to integrate services into built-in and high performance applications. There are some other features in Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio. They are VPL and VSE. VPL stands for Visual Programming Language, as I said earlier. VPL provides an environment for building the applications even though without writing any code. You don't need to write any code. All you need to do is just make use of the predefined services which are provided by the VPL environment. Just drag and drop the services from the services toolbox onto the workspace and just build an application. Like a VPL environment is similar to the drag and drop environment in Visual Studio. Okay, another important feature of Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio is VSE, Visual Simulation Environment. VSE will allow you to simulate your application which you have developed. In case of robots, the most difficult thing is troubleshooting. So using VSE, you can troubleshoot and test your application very easily. Okay, these are some of the features in Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio. When you install the Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio in your computer, you will be provided some services and tutorials which will help you in learning the Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio very easily. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.